Hello, body fangs. Welcome to the push. Guys, it's that time of the year again. The schools are closing down. People are breaking up for the December holidays. Vakansie. Bloody amazing. You decide you're going to go on a long trippy there into the middle of the bushes there, or gat sonder water, or just to the beach. But before you go, there's a couple of things you need to check. Okay. Number 1. You can't have fun as your rubber uitgeweer is nie. Especially when you're traveling far, like to the beach. Yeah. Nothing like a good year. Lekker rubber. If your suspension is worn out, gaan jy bytmerk op die dashboard los. Check hulle uit. Ja, nee, sorry Tannie. Your battery is bad. Your battery is flat. You need to replace it, anders gaan jy langs die pad staan soos 'n hoërskool laaitjie wat sopas die bus gemis het. Oom se gat het definitief 'n exhaust in. You mean what I know. But never fear when Crazy Very are near. Why? Because this Saturday, 22 November, Super Quick Vereniging have got their Super Saturday sale going on. Bloody amazing. Super savings on shocks, batteries, tires, exhausts. It's a whole day out for the fan family. Live music, lekker booty rolls over there, prizes and giveaways. And it doesn't matter what tire you have. As long as it's black, they'll find it. Super Quick Vereniging this Saturday. Check them out. 13B Old Johannesburg Road, Duncanville, Vereniging. No, Vereniging. Okay, thanks.
Dunlop and Bridgestone all road hazard guarantee. Doesn't matter what damage. Open on Sundays from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. during the festive season. Come in for a free 20-point check.